Hey everyone, welcome back to fibonacciPi. Today we're breaking down 5 myths that stop beginners from learning programming. If you ever thought coding is too hard only for geniuses, or you need to know math like Einstein, then stay tuned. Let's bust these myths once for all. Myth 1. You need to be genius to code. No. Programming is just problem solving with logic. You don't need to be super smart. You just need to practice consistently. Even best developers once googled what is variable. Myth 2. You must learn every programming language. Totally false. Start with one language like Python, JavaScript, C# or Java and get really good at it. Once you understand the logic, learning new language becomes 10 times faster. Myth 3. You need to be great at math to code. Wrong again. You just need basic logic, not calculus or trigonometry. Most programming involves thinking in steps, not solving equations. Myth 4. Good coders don't make mistakes. Actually, good coders make lots of mistakes. They just know how to debug faster and solve the problem. Errors are part of the learning. Every red underline is a new lesson. Myth 5. Programming is a lonely job. Not true. Developers constantly collaborate through GitHub, Stack Overflow, or team projects. In fact, teamwork and communication are some of the most valuable programming skills. So remember, coding isn't magic, it's just practice, patience, and persistence. Don't let this myth stop you from starting your journey. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to fibonacciPi, and comment which myth you believe in before watching this video.